Okay, so when we're looking at answering Roman numeral number 2, what feelings does this text evoke? What we're really asking is for the tone of the piece, the tone and the mood. In order to understand the tone and the mood, you need to know the definition. So let's take a look at the definition for tone. Tone is the attitude of the speaker toward another character, a place, or a thing. What we're really asking for is figuring out the narrator. Who is speaking in this piece? Is it a third-person narrator or is it a first-person narrator? And how does that character speaker feel toward the character in the piece, another character in the piece, or the setting of the text, or whatever is being described, objects in that scene? Some more common tone words on the AP exam are in this word box. For me, you'd need to know things like candid, cynical, detached, fanciful, forthright, informal, intimate, lyrical, melancholy, nostalgic, satiric, definitely. That's the most important one, is satiric. You also need to know sinister and whimsical. The more advanced vocabulary I put on there so that you know what's coming for next year. The next term that we have is mood. If tone is the attitude of the speaker toward the character or place or thing, then mood is the atmosphere. It's the emotional quality of a scene or setting. So mood is more like what's the atmosphere of a classroom right before a test the students haven't studied for, or what is the mood, what is the atmosphere at a funeral. And so that's not the speaker's attitude toward the place, but the emotional quality or the atmosphere of a scene or setting. So words that we'd hear from that one would be things like apprehensive or reproachful or suspenseful. Those kinds of words describe mood. So you definitely need to know the difference between mood and tone. But answering those two, what is the tone of this piece, what is the mood of this piece, go to answering question number 2 on our 3 questions.